The office was empty, silent except for the faint hum of the AC. Midnight light spilled through the tall glass windows, painting the spotless marble floor silver. David pressed the mop against the tiles, humming softly so he wouldn't fall asleep. His hands were rough, cracked, not from age, but from endless nights of cleaning offices that didn't belong to him. On the CEO's desk sat a sleek, silver laptop. He didn't mean to touch it. He really didn't. But when the bucket slipped from his tired hand and water splashed across the desk, his heart froze. The laptop screen flickered, and then came to life. He leaned forward to wipe it dry, and that's when he saw the photo. A little girl. Bald, smiling, holding a paper heart. And in the corner of the photo, a woman he'd never met, but one whose eyes looked heartbreakingly familiar. And before he could blink, a sharp voice echoed behind him. "What do you think you're doing with my laptop?" David turned slowly. It was her. The CEO. The cleaner and the CEO. David Miller was a man of few words. A single father. 32 years old. His life revolved around one person, his daughter, Lily, a 7-year-old with a smile that could melt the world, even from a hospital bed. She had leukemia. And every drop of energy David had went into paying her medical bills. By day, he worked in construction. By night, he cleaned corporate offices. Sleep was a luxury, time with Lily was a blessing he rarely got. That night, he had been assigned to Evelyn Carter's office, the youngest female CEO in the city's history. A woman known for her iron discipline, sharp tone, and cold heart. To him, she was just another name on his cleaning schedule. Until the water accident. Evelyn stood at the door, her arms crossed, her expression unreadable. "Step away from my desk," she ordered. David obeyed immediately. I'm sorry, ma'am. It was an accident. I was just cleaning, and the bucket." But she wasn't listening. She was staring at the screen. At the photo. Her eyes softened for a split second, then hardened again. "You shouldn't have touched my things. I didn't mean to. I'll pay for any damage." "Can you afford to replace a $2,000 laptop?" she snapped. David swallowed, his chest tight. "No, ma'am. But I'll work overtime. As long as it takes." She sighed. "Just go." He nodded, gathering his mop and leaving, head bowed. But before he turned the corner, she said quietly. "That girl, on the screen. You saw her, didn't you?" David froze. "Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to pry." She's my sister's daughter," Evelyn said, her voice trembling for the first time. "She died 2 years ago." David's throat tightened. He wanted to say something, anything, but words felt too small. "Good night, ma'am," he whispered, walking out. But that night, neither of them slept.